Wow, it's so amazing to see you both together here. Firstly, welcome to Hyderabad, Vicky. We are so happy. I would like to begin with Rashmika, since this is your home. Hyderabad is your home. How does it feel being back, and what do you have to tell to all our media friends?
హాయ్ అండి, చాలా టైం అయిపోయింది కదా మిమ్మల్ని కలిసి. బాగున్నారా? థ్యాంక్ యూ, మీరందరూ ఇక్కడ వచ్చి మమ్మల్ని సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. బేసిక్లీ ఐమ్ థ్యాంకింగ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్. అండ్ వికీ గారికి హైదరాబాద్కి వెల్కమ్ చేస్తూ, వెల్కమ్ వికీ టు హైదరాబాద్.
Thank you.
You're going to have a blast. అండ్ బేసిక్లీ అవునండి, ఛావా 14th రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇది మన ఫస్ట్ సాంగ్ రిలీజ్ చేస్తున్నాం హైదరాబాద్లో. సో నాకైతే చాలా అంటే యాక్చువల్లీ చాలా ఎక్సైటింగ్గా ఉంది, ఎందుకంటే నా ఛావా టీం ఇక్కడ వచ్చి ప్రమోట్ చేస్తున్నారని. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, మీరందరూ వచ్చి ఇక్కడ మమ్మల్ని సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. అండ్ సెకండ్లీ, ఛావా ఫస్ట్ సాంగ్ మీకు ఎట్లా అనిపించింది? నచ్చిందా? యా, ఓకే. వింటారు కదా మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ? నేను కూడా వినాలని అనిపిస్తుంది. సో ఐల్ గో హోమ్ అండ్ డూ దాట్. కానీ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ వికీ, kill it.
The powerhouse performer, please say a few words.
Firstly, అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
అందరూ బాగున్నారా?
అందరూ బాగున్నారా? హైదరాబాద్కి రావడం చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. Was it okay?
Ekdam zabardast.
How do you say zabardast in Telugu?
Kirak.
Huh?
Zabardast only.
No, say some
Kirak. You can say like this, ekdam kirak hai tum log.
Ekdam khirak hai tum log. Correct?
Absolutely correct.
No, but I'm so happy to be here. Firstly, thank you so much for such a warm welcome. We released our trailer in Mumbai, and Rashmika was so sweet that with her injury, she still traveled all the way to Mumbai, to my home. So it was only fair that when we are releasing our first song, I had to come to her home. And here we are, releasing our first song, Jaane Tu. It's a very special song because it just emotes the bonding between Maharaj and Maharani, which goes way beyond love. And I hope that you like the song. It is the coming together of three geniuses, three maestros, the one and only A.R. Rahman sir, Arijit sir, now Padma Shri Arijit sir, and Irshad Kamil sir. So it has always been a dream for me that one day I hope I get to do a film which says music by A.R. Rahman, and this is my first film. So thank you to yours too. Oh wow. So from both of us, thank you to Dinesh Vijan sir for making it happen. Thank you to Lakshman Uttekar sir, our director, for just bringing us together in this epic saga called Chhawa.
What do you have to say, Rashmika, about the song just launched? Such a beautiful melody song this is. What do you have to say?
I want to begin with, how did you like it?
I loved it. I have been watching the song since long. Trust me, ever since I'm here since the morning. And now it's in the loop.
Yeah?
It's just running in my mind. I just want to play it in my playlist on the loop. It's amazing.
Thank you. Like Vicky said, it's my first time that I've had Rahman sir's name, in the same film. So I'm extremely honored. And like Vicky again said, it's the love between Maharani and Maharaj is something way beyond love. Like, you have seen love in a certain way, but this is one of the main reasons why I wanted to do this film, is because this is something spiritual, something beyond human capabilities, So it drew me to do the film. And today when I'm seeing Jaane Tu come alive, the music and the visuals and everything. I'm telling Vicky that anything I watch from this film, it's making me cry. I don't know why. Oh, that just rhymed. Not bad. Guys, I think I can get back into rhyming. But yeah, I think, this song is really, really special. And I really hope everyone out there, all the audience, love it.
We can see the tears in your eyes, Rashmika. That truly speaks a lot. But I want to ask you both. आप दोनों पहली बार साथ में काम कर रहे हैं. महाराज और महारानी की ये केमिस्ट्री बहुत अमेजिंग लग रही है ऑन स्क्रीन. तो कुछ ऐसा बताइए कि पहली बार काम करके कैसा लगा जो हमें नहीं पता. बताइए.
There's a dialogue in the film. एक dialogue है फिल्म में और वो ट्रेलर में भी है कि विश्वास आपका साथ हो तो युद्ध लगे त्योहार. And that goes so well with Rashmika as a human being because जब आप एक पीरियड फिल्म कर रहे हो, हिस्टोरिकल कर रहे हो, each day of shoot is a battle. There are hundreds of horses, elephants, swords, crowd work and big sets and costumes and everything. So there's so much going on. And in comes Rashmika with her positivity, with her warmth, with her just kindness. Apart from being a fantastic actor, it would just make it all feel like a festival, like a tyohar. So, no, I mean it. I genuinely mean it. And
He's calling you a celebration, Rashmika.
she is.
A festival, which you are.
I think in the past, many films Rashmika has proven to be a festival.
Listen, but honestly, when I got to know that I was doing Java with Vicky, the first thing I had is, oh my God, he's set one standard for performance. He's set one standard for acting. So I'm like, first of all, of course, we all can see that there's a height difference. So I'm like, okay, how is it going to look? But again, that is directors and producers and all of them. They would have placed it that way for a reason. So I'm like, that's not on me because I really can't change my height, sorry. I had to stand on couple of apple boxes to match his height for all the close-ups. But that aside, I feel like Vicky carries one sort of aura that, you can see, you can feel it. I don't know if he knows it, but all of us standing next to him can feel it. I think that comes with the peace that he has inside of him, or I don't know what it is. He just feels like a chava. That's what I was thinking, it is such a perfect casting. I think Lakshman sir somehow knew that this is a Maharaj.
I'm just looking at you and I feel like the Maharaj is sitting here.
See?
I am getting that vibe completely. You have just nailed it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
But
I hope the audience feels the same when the film comes out on 14th of February.
yeah, we were your first audience. No, we saw it. But I think the chemistry is what you're talking about, and that's only because he was him on the other side, letting me do what